Oh, that is a huge one. It's like hundreds of balloons. This is a whole field lounge and people just driving here, parking it. And starting like a pull the balloon out. You have to get up early. This is 7 o'clock, not 7 o'clock yet. We do one row by one row. Oh, look here. This is great. Wow, I don't know how many gas they will use. And you can see, you can walk in. They do one row by one row. So first row finish and second row. And all the truck parking here.